Pagbubukas ng NCAA Season 99, kasado na. Tunghayan sa report.
Let the 99th season of the National Collegiate Athletic Association begin.
Kasado na ang Season 99 ng National Collegiate Athletic Association o NCAA na may temang New Heroes of the Game. Coming from a very successful Season 98 last year, asahan ng mas intense na bakbakan. Maraming NCAA events ang magbabalik this season, kabilang na ang face-to-face taekwondo at chess games. Magbabalik din ang badminton at table tennis sporting events.
Do not fear, only believe. Yun talaga yung sinasabi sa amin. Huwag kayong matakot, maniniwala ka lang sa sarili. Muna namin isipin yung championship, isipin muna namin bawat laro namin kung paano kami manalo.
During this off-season, that's what we really worked on, which is our mental game lang.
Malaki naman ang pasasalamat ng LPU team captain Enoch Valdez sa NCAA.
Kung hindi dahil sa NCAA, hindi naman ako mapapansin siguro ng PBA. Like, yun nga, hindi rin siguro ako madadraft kasi doon ako nang galing eh.
Goal namin is mag-improve kami every training, every day.
Pag EAC na kalaban nyo, hindi magiging madali ang lahat. No?
Yeah.
Layunin daw ng NCAA na lalo ilabas ang galing, disiplina at excellence ng kabataan sa sports at maging kampyon sa kanilang buhay.
The NCAA is all about the student athlete. They are our future hopes. So
now we're going to see new faces. So for sure, the new heroes of the game would be the student athletes making the big plays, breaking records.
Sa linggo na ang opening ceremony ng NCAA Season 99 New Heroes of the Game kung saan magpe-perform ang ilang Sparkle Stars. May special participation din si Asia's multimedia star Alden Richards. Chris Zuniga para sa Mornings with GMA Regional TV.